Bunch of straps. Take this bad boy out. There we go. Alright, so we're picking up 2 refrigerators on today here at this local church in McKinney, Texas. Right over there, got the old school fridge. Haven't seen one of these bad boys in a while. Dolly, we'll get those bad boys loaded. Faithful Dolly right here. Ah, come on. Really? It's gonna fall. Not that bad. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, these some big heavy refrigerators. Man. 1, 2, 3. This thing is no joke. Oh yeah.